we're going to go to the instant replay. I'm going to call it the CIA. I'm going to challenge the play. And we're going to look at the instant replay from yesterday. So, ready? And here we go. So, grab your binder. You're going to sing the next one and start moving. This one, go. So, the last one was up here and go. So, which one has, as you said, raise your hand and tell me. If you think it's za, you're going to show me one finger. If you think it's ze, you're going to show me two, because that's the second vowel. If you think it's z, you're going to show me the third. If you think it's zo, you're going to show me the fourth. And if you think it's zoo, you're going to show me number 5. If you're not sure, let's sing it one more time, because a couple of you are like, I'm not sure yet. It could be one or the other. It's okay to not know also. It's okay to guess. So, ze, ready and go. And don't worry about moving that one down, okay? Show me what your vote is. It's okay to not know, but we're going to go to the screen and it's going to tell us. How are we going to know? You've never learned this before, but what I'm starting to show you is I showed you on that screen yesterday. I'm seeing a mix here. I'm seeing lots of 1s and 2s. I'm seeing a couple of 4s that are in here. And a few 3s. I don't think I saw any 5s. Anybody have a 5? No. Okay. So what I did is I recorded you yesterday and I put it in that software that you started to see, and that shows you the energy that you sing with. Okay. So what we call these are kind of called. Have you ever heard of the tone of overtones? You ever heard the term? That's what we're doing. We're analyzing the overtones. So the more that you sing in tune, the more overtones that start to occur. So that's like have you ever been in a performance, or especially when we go out into a live space like the lobby out here, you start to hear maybe some other notes that seem maybe higher sometimes. You're like, have you ever heard that or felt that? When you're starting to feel like, wait a minute, like there's some, if you sing really, really well, you start to hear these notes that almost sounds like sopranos are singing with you, which is weird, okay? So we're gonna go to the screen. I took a screenshot on this, and it looks like this. Yesterday, this was our lowest one that we did, and this was our highest one that we did, okay? So if you'll look right here, these, you can pretty clearly see the different vowels that you had, right? This is the pitch that we sang right here, and these are the different vowels. Where do you see the most color that continues upward? That means you have the most overtones that are going. Look at za first. We've got right here, that's what we call a fundamental. That's the actual pitch that happens. And these are to start to be the overtones that happen above that. And these are at different frequencies. So if you've ever heard of the term hertz before, those are different hertz that are happening right there. So you'll notice za is pretty solid right here, right? Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. We've got about 4 overtones that are happening on our za, and starts to happen a little on the 5th one, right? Okay, look at ze. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. There's like 7 of them happening. These are really just a lot of noise, so that's not really as much up here. Look at Z. I was surprised by this. Z is our worst vowel. Z is our weakest vowel. And we have 1, 2, and maybe a third one here. Zo is kind of a little weaker than the za, and then the zoo happens to be kind of our second weakest. Does it change when we go up to the highest pitch that we sang? Not really. It's about the same. So our goal as a group, I don't know if we're going to be able to see this very well, but we'll try to do this. Our goal is going to be to try to fill some of these in the second semester. So which one has the most of our overtones? Was it za or ze? What did you say? Okay, so let's figure out and sing. Ze, ready, go. Now let's go from our best to our weakest and compare and contrast the two. Sing ze, then z, ze. Z. You probably feel that it sounds very, very similar, but we're closing the mouth a little bit. So can you sing za, then z, and then drop the jaw a little bit with the e vowel to think but sing e. Let me demonstrate first. That's kind of hard to do. Za, z. Did you see how I dropped the jaw and it changed the tone right there? So you're going to go normal z, Drop the jaw and think, and. Ready, set, go. Z. Drop the jaw. Do you hear the tone difference that's happening right there? Do you hear it? Listen one more time. Ready? It got more. Yeah, that's what we call energy boosts. These are energy boosts. If you want to energize your sound a little bit more, you start adding things and working overtones. And if I recorded you right now, I bet you'd see a difference in what came up on the screen. Sing za. Ready, go. Za. Z. Space. This time, make sure the tongue stays flat, because some of us are trying to go Z in our mouth and lift the tongue to make it happen. It actually has to drop the jaw, not move the tongue. Z. Go. Z. Space. I love your work with that, guys. I'm so proud of you.